that. So much here to explore. Oh, hello there. So let's go for it. There's a lounging area here. Let's see this. Oh, there's a huge staircase up there. I think I'd use the elevator more than that. So there are some, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexagon tables here. And the luxurious blue sofas. That's a nice way to video yourself. Wow. Look closely. That's so good. So there's more tables and a lot of more stuff. There are mirrors there. There's a chandelier. Oh my gosh, I tripped. So another blue sofa with bigger circle tables. So this hotel is inspired by a movie. So there are so many ads here. And this is one of the characters in the movie. I haven't watched the movie, so I don't know the name. Right there, that's the girl. And that's the boy. And there are more characters which I'm going to see. There's one more set of characters. Right here. This guy. I don't know who all these are, so you'll ask me. There's a huge piano there. Cool. So it says 2 meters for your safety. Keep distance. Another one. And other 2. And there's one more here. What's this? Awesome. That's slow motion, right? There are some black screens that got a little bit broken. So there's more 2 meters. It's a lot.
Alright. Hey Frankie, we're here. Hey sweetheart, you okay? All good?
Yeah. So we're here at the Paramount Hotel. I already seen the lobby and it was so beautiful and modern. Really nice.
So yeah, since it's the Paramount Hotel, so everything is inspired by the movies, Paramount movies.
See. Avoid family gatherings. Avoid taking children for public areas. Make sure to wash your hands regularly. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Leave your domestic stuff.
Is the kids area allowed?
Not really.
We'll check, but we also have to be careful.
Okay.
Alright? How are you? You're so
My
quiet.
ears are
This is
popping.
exhausted.
We're here in the 51st floor. So this is how the
Ears popped.
hallway looks like. We are 5103. One on the left.
Oh, Sophie, don't touch that.
There you go. So our room number is 5103. This is 5103. But both keys is not working. It's turning red. Okay, I think we have to get back to the lobby. Fortunately, so 1924. Wow, Peter Pan. 1964, 1914. So yeah, that's interesting. Lots of information. We're gonna go back. I think he's sleepy. Can I carry him, Mom? So that's Friday, May 29, 2020. So that's the coming from the elevator. This is going towards the room. So more pictures. I think these are from the movies. These are the rooms. And that's our room. 5103.